Really quick video here. You can see whoever built this bit of a fence, they just put straight top and across this post, and now the rain's got in and it's rotted away, so I just need to, I'm going to, just looking at it, I'm going to cut this at an angle here, and the whole fence is getting repainted, but once we have that cut at an angle, that'll let the water and rain run off and it'll hopefully be fixed. Well, that's worse than I thought. And how deep that goes, we would have to fill it out with something and get it painted out. Alright, so I'm going to trim off some of this, screw it onto the solid part at the top, and that'll hopefully do okay. I was hoping that would be just good enough whenever I sawed that far down, but it's rotted who knows how far through. Probably needs a new post, but I'll screw this on instead. Okay, put that aside and pre-drill. Two 30mm wood screws. There you go. Bit more than we expected, but it's done now. Right, that's it. Pretty smooth, and nobody hopefully will get any scalps on it. A wee bit of gap at the bottom here, but that's fine. It's overhangs here, so we'll get this quick coat of paint on it, and then it'll get painted again with the rest.